What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can contact Yahoo Customer Services. So first off, head over to any Google browser you like or any other browser you like. Then in the search bar, just simply type in help.yahoo.com and then just hit enter. This will directly take you to the help center of Yahoo. So here are some frequently asked questions. You can even read these so that if this solves your problem, you don't even have to contact them. But if it doesn't solve your problem, just simply click on this button of contact us. And here you can choose in what field you are having problem with Yahoo, like in the mail, in the finance, in the account, in the subscriptions. So for now, if you choose mail, you can choose a version in which you are facing a problem, like mail app for Android, for iOS, for desktop, for mobile mail, or new Yahoo Mail. After that, just type in your Yahoo email ID and click on Get Started. After clicking on Get Started, you will be given the contact number to contact Yahoo Help Services. This is actually a demo mail I have written, that's why it's not letting me enter, and it is telling me to enter a valid Yahoo ID. So, but if you will enter your Yahoo ID, you will get the contact number you can contact on and ask your solution for the problem that you are facing. That was all for this video. Thank you for watching.